Hey YouTubers, this is my MSI Z370 PC Pro motherboard review. So there she is in the inside our computer build. This has an i7 8700 kilo Intel processor, but I gotta say, out of the motherboards I have previously installed, I really like this one. This is obviously the full ATX version, and it has stuff spaced out pretty good. This is a mid-tower that it's in, so made it relatively easy to work on. Stuff is pretty spaced out. It's very well named. You can easily tell what you are plugging into. Definitely helps to read the directions though, as like when you put your first set of RAM in, it doesn't tell you to put it in slot 1 for whatever reason. It goes into slot 2. So there's a lot of stuff that you have to read the directions. I obviously haven't cleaned up the cables yet, but overall very happy with this. Did not have any real issues installing it, just things that somebody that hasn't done a computer in a few years, kind of issues you'd expect, but nothing wrong with this motherboard. Worked out really good. Highly recommend it for your build. Wasn't cheap though, because this goes with the 8th gen Intel processors. It was a little over $100 some, so about 120, 140, somewhere in there. They give you quite possibly the best user manual that I have ever seen with anything, as far as detailing things out. Nice pictures. There's even, if you have that little gizmo, you can go straight to YouTube and watch a video on each thing. So it goes pretty much step by step. They give you this nice drawing that shows you where everything is. So I'll go ahead and zoom in a little so you can see all the available stuff on this guy. So, and then there's a whole bunch of sections on how to work on the BIOS. If I remember correctly, you can overdrive this motherboard. So nice feature. Like I said, I recommend it. I'll have the link down below in case you want to buy it. Thank you.